Kaparana bian imanimania minister chweru adukona isomero lo itetet loka Asamuk Seed Secondary School. Imwalimu nukesi ya balasebe editeropiti kechenoi ikamana rakede aikidio kusnaidue kotomo somero. Abalasi kesebe karaiti ya pedosi kesi aigwoto aduke na kechenu itetiak neuta iduku ebuni ayatakin enabalo idue kosomero iboreike ikine Etace keche kwa pema merora pugani Etace kesi.
We have been here for quite a long period of time without being on payroll. The situation here is not as good as expected of a teacher, because currently the amount of money that we are getting from here is very little. Cannot sustain our families. For example, the minimum amount of money that we get from here is 100-something thousand, and of which at sometimes we even don't get it, because currently we have a total of 240 students, and most of them don't pay fees on time, and some of them even don't pay. So the miserable money that we get, there are other activities also which take that money, which is not enough to pay all the teachers. We are only praying to go to the other side in case it is possible.
Because Etace ne mam dibu sankte wore Etace da. Konyiso maido soda swam na pa. Edeke ane ponele jana kinidue. Ile mika pumi jaino si disera allowance Etace ela pale jokiara kere. Nese Etace rechemu alima kwa tate chaka isa kanyare kwa ngini. Dodo one roni arichut chepa kido. Ishalam kines da ishalam kin be yalama bera tamtino swaman
Dapakina leme somero aijana kino shape ido aparana bian imani manaswamuna minister chweru yese yalama noine jaya pugani Kanu somero kalo yeta kitebe ela chunita pugan bola nepetai arita yauni Kanu adukio
rai asamuku kwa petem etemule mojo ngitinoi lobu ya padomun agangata na pugan and kwa nikamunta kirono senior anu bora lwe po lo poti toltoloto so na peta unto isomao kwenye alama ngoneja apugani na Asamu local government keda apugani na amuria lo poti tojoka salemu na lupoko no do la duko kine senior alupoko nukwa ne duko kine senior lo mamego ngare dio wae elo sapugani aibwa ikine isirgin lo dolete aritai uni kede milioni na kwatata adepar anu aduku ne somrole rai modern no ajene ngobe erokenge takine karu akotongo ya ile papa president abunere angare somerolo rai kwa pa anyu neteto modopto somerolo aloi boistana lo tegelekena dora le dukita apake ke
loya iti aduko na isomero Samuel Malinga nyesia balebe ekapakina kesi angetakina suamu karulo ido epedore somero agotunu aduke nanu itetiak okarungon
semero no beta dom na tukona auni which have 2 classrooms per block, so those are 6 classrooms, and then ICT, library, science lab, and a multi-purpose hall, and also teachers administration block. Ijaibobo ne pretimal munda kadicholo ni ne laite kada ne poeto kesi jamra ne jijim beta somna ngatakin okarungon alapano kanyetangon opane ke una somna ka beteto raisi ijaza tukona obim level around 60% of the works done so far.
Adukona isomero kalo ngesabuo geun okarulo atubor ido erailo esomere diopete bon kwape CD school ko tema samuku ido orailo apugan Kanuka TV East Alfreda Tuau ko district alo amuria.